sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on.
Melody on the breeze, bringing me to my knees. Oh, I've been ignoring you too long. I've been turning the other cheek in search of a word to speak, when I only had to sing along. You're on my windowsill, whippoorwill. You're on my windowsill, whippoorwill. I've been banging on my guitar inside of an empty bar. Feedback knocking me back off my feet. Must be a better way to say what you wanna say without putting the clientele to sleep. You're on my windowsill, whippoorwill. You're on my windowsill, whippoorwill.
be surrounded